What would you do with 1 trillion tokens? Manus celebrate the launch of Manus 1.5 and they're giving away 1 trillion tokens for you to build your next app with. I love Manus. Manus is actually like an agent platform. Manus was pretty good. It would just, you could set it off to go build a report, do research, get me a slide deck, build a website. You could tell it to a whole bunch of things and it would just work through them. They've now launched a web app builder, a vibe coding experience, and the initial interface is as you would expect it. Now it's got real backends. It's got like, I think it's got authentication. I don't know. It's not. I know that authentication is not working on the app that I've built, but it seems pretty good. And I don't know about you, man, but are you getting so many companies come to you wanting to sponsor you, and it's just another vibe coding experience? Like the amount of vibe code apps at the moment is just ridiculous.
Yes, I'm getting sponsors for
just yet another one. But obviously I've spoken about Manus before. I've used Manus before, and I've used Manus quite heavily before. So I'm interested in it. It's my show, so we're going to talk about it. But they're doing a competition, basically. If you can build the best app, they will give you 1 trillion LLM tokens.
So it's giving away 1 billion tokens?
1 trillion tokens if you can build the best app. Here it is. And it built it, and it one shot. This is a one shot. I haven't tested this. We're going to test it out on the call. Ask for my OpenAI API key. So it was only using ChatGPT for my LLM. So I don't think this is going to win any awards, to be honest, because this was just.
How much is that?
Well, it's funny you say that because this only took me 218 credits.
Okay, fair.
Whereas I did a leasehold thing here. It took me 1,000 tokens. I did like a whole research thing. So an app for 218 tokens, it's pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Anyway, whatever. We're just having fun. So I thought we could try a new chat. I literally haven't done anything, so this could crash and burn. It would be nice if it works, given this is a one shot. So we're in a new conversation. Here we go. Tell me a joke. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
It works.
Yeah.
It works. What I noticed is we've got a edit thing here where I can select things. So, okay, so it's got some basic UI editing. So there you go. Cool. That will make you happy. That's good. So exit edit mode. Yeah. I can obviously publish it. Over here, we've got dashboard. I'm assuming I'm not going to click that just yet. But we've got database here. And there it is. There's my user. I'm not going to click API keys. Messages. There's the messages. File storage. Settings. All that kind of stuff. Let's go dashboard. See what this says. Okay, so you've got usage data as well. And then finally, I wanted to show you the code. It looks like a pretty straightforward React app.
That's really clean and nice.
I mean, I don't think people are going to be jumping on this because you got Lovable, right? You've got these dedicated apps. This is, again, just a one feature inside of Manus. Like I'll show you. I've used it. Like I've used it a lot. You just, I think it's one of the. Oh no, it's a website. You technically make a website and you just ask it to build something. So yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised by that. And look, I can go into it. It's still there because it's in the database, so it works.
What was your initial prompt?
It's a bit personal, isn't it? Build an AI chat app. Build an AI chat app. And then it came back to me with a couple of questions, and I said that I want to use OpenAI. Oh, here we go. We can. Oh, sorry. It's even on the freaking screen right now.
All the
key
features,
basic chat. Well, yeah. It suggested what features do I want, and I'm like, out of these 4 here. Sorry, you might be able to see that. Basic chat history, multiple conversations, user authentication, and file image upload. So actually, look, let's see if we can add an image. This is just my thumbnail for my new video. Okay, I'll open. Let's say, what is this image of? This is an image of Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla. Okay, so that's obviously not working. I don't know what that is.
Do you know the meme? This is Elon Musk.
No.
You don't know that? Oh my God. Chat.
What
This
read
is
only
Elon.
mode?
I need to search that.
Okay. Well, anyway, go build an app. Go build an app with Manus and get 1 trillion tokens. It's obviously not a, I think, we can talk about vibe coding just in general. I think we need to set expectations here with vibe coding not being we spoke about it last week, right? Not being this thing that's going to build the next $1 trillion company. Prompting can only get you so far before you need to really understand the architecture of an application and what the code does and things like this. But build your own little accountancy software, build your own little project management software the way that you want to use it. Lower your expectations and have fun and try and just make yourself 10 times more productive, by building a little app.
This is Elon Musk, Tesla's co-founder and CEO. Elon is an inventor and a maverick entrepreneur, one of America's youngest billionaires.
If you're starting a company, you need to work super hard. When my brother and I were starting our first company, instead of getting an apartment, we just rented a small office and we slept on the couch. How do I describe myself?
Genius, billionaire, playboy for life.
When critics say you can't do this, your answer to them is, we've done it. You say you didn't expect the company to be successful, then why try?
If something's important enough, you should try, even if probable outcome is failure. Now is the time to take risks. I would encourage you to take risks now. Do something, well, you won't regret it. Thank you.